Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add action button to Instagram account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile. And first you need to switch to business account or creator account. Once you've done that, here you can see action button, click on that, and you can see different order food, book now, reserve. So I'm going to add book now, click on that, and here you can see different options. So I'm going to select appointed. So you can select different option according to your choice, and you can link that with your Instagram account, and you can easily add an action button. So you can do anything. So I want to add a reserve, so it will be more simple. So you can do reservation for anything that you want. Here you need to enter your email address, sign in, and you can easily add to reserve button. So this is a process by which you can add, or you can add action button to your Instagram account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.